So here we have the BMW 520D automatic on an 08 plate. I'm going to start off by showing you around the outside of the car, and then we'll hop in and run through some controls on the inside. From the outside though, you can see that it's a four-door car with alloy wheels and tinted windows. Let's start off inside the boot and then work our way around the rest of the car from there. As we approach the back of the car, you can see we have reversing sensors and plenty of boot space as well. Okay, so we're just going to work our way back round to the front of the car, and then we'll hop in and run through some controls on the inside. But now that we've done a full circle of it, you can see it's in excellent condition the whole way round. Just briefly before we climb in, I think this is what we're seeing the interior from this exterior point of view. You get leather seats, as you can see. There's plenty to run through on the dashboard, so let's hop in and we'll do that now. Okay, now that we're inside the car, we're going to start with the dials. On the right hand side we have the rev counter, on the left hand side we have the speedometer and fuel gauge. In the middle you can see that it will show you what gear this car is currently in. We're in park at the moment. Beneath that are the total miles for the car, 158,968. If we back out to the steering wheel, on the left hand side we have stereo controls and phone controls, and on the right hand side the stereo controls continue. Underneath here we have cruise control for the car as well. Over in the center you'll find the color display. You move around that display by using the dial just here. So this button will always take you back to the main menu that we were just on. This dial will twist, it will push down, it will move left, right, up and down as well, which all becomes useful within certain menus. So for example, you can see already this car's got satellite navigation. Communication is where you can pair up a phone. Climate control, of course, is controlled from here, but can also be controlled with dials down below that section. And entertainment is where you'll find your music. So AM, FM radio, CD player, and auxiliary inputs as well. The satellite navigation is a really nice, easy system to use. You can scroll the wheel around to any of those things that you want to look at very, very easily. Or you can use it, as I showed you a moment ago, like a sort of joystick really, and operate your way around it that way. Working our way down from here, we have deadlocks to lock the car doors from outside, and hazard warning lights as well. We then have the climate control for the car. So you can adjust the fan speed, the direction you like the air to be distributed in, and the temperature with this dial just here. The air conditioning is on at the minute, so off, back on again, or hit auto. The car will now take control of the fan speed and the direction of the air to maintain the temperature you've asked for. To override that, just make any manual adjustment. You'll see auto has now gone off. With the main volume for the stereo and the CD player just there. Some storage here. The assist section opens up as well to reveal a 12-volt charging socket, a cigarette lighter as well, of course. This button turns your parking sensors on and off. We have the gear lever for the fully automatic gearbox, and then the dial and button that I went through just a moment ago. The last thing I want to show you is the sunroof for this car. So we have a sun blind that will open manually, and then a button here that will open up the sunroof section for you as well. All that leaves me to say is thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like to come and see the car in person and have a test drive, please feel free to call us here at Glenbourne's. We'd love to hear from you soon.